Students, today we will discuss question answer and exercise chapter 8 Silk Road. Question first है the article has been titled Silk Road. Answer is the title of the article has been named of the historic Silk Road or route. The network connected the Afro-Eurasian landmass. It's established trade of Chinese silk, spices, teas, and proclaims Indian textiles, precious stones, and paper, and the Roman Empire's gold, silver, fine glassware, wine, carpets, jewels. The road was named Silk Road, largely because of the Silk Road trade with China. In the chapter, the author travels to Mount Kailash, exploring the Himalayas belt in तिब्बत. तो इस चैप्टर में हमने देखा कि ये सारी चीज़ें हैं वो चाइना सिल्क रोड के जरिए से आती हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 है तिब्बतियन मैस्टिफ्स वर द पॉपुलर इन चाइनाज इम्पेरियल कोर्ट्स. आंसर तिब्बतियन मैस्टिफ्स वर द पॉपुलर इन चाइनाज इम्पेरियल कोर्ट्स एज हंटिंग डॉग्स. दे वर ब्रॉट अलोंग द सिल्क रोड इन एंशियंट टाइम एज ट्रिब्यूट फ्रॉम तिब्बत. They were huge black dogs used and watchdogs. They explode into action like bullets. They are furious and fearless. Question third है the author's experience at Hor was in stark contrast to earlier account of the place. Answer is Hor was a grim, miserable place. The dust and rocks were scattered everywhere in abundance. There was little vegetation. The place seems unfortunate and dejected. Though it sat on the shores of the lake Mansarovar, the author was flabbergasted to release the context in his experience to that of a Larry Rhodes accounts. A Japanese monk Ikai Kawaguchi, हमने लेसन में भी पढ़ा था, Ikai Kawaguchi, who had arrived there in 1990, was so moved by the sanctity of the lake that he burst in tears. The hallowed waters had a similar effect on Seven Haddon, a Swede who was not prone to sentimental outbursts. However, for the author, when he reached Hor, first he had to get to puncture mended. The only relaxation लेसन पढ़ा होगा तो पता होगा कि उनकी गाड़ी है वो पंचर हो गई थी, वहाँ पे उसको मेंडेड करते मरम्मत करते हैं. Was the tea served by a Chinese youth in the only cafe in the town, which was constructed from badly painted concrete and had 3 broken windows. The good view of the lake through one of them helped to compensate. However, question 4 है the author was disappointed with Darchen. Answer है the author was disappointed with Darchen. The high altitude was giving him health problems. He had a bad cold and was not able to sleep at night. Since he was one of the early arrivals, there were not any pilgrims coming to the place. The place was dusty, partially derelict, and punctuated by heaps of rubble and refuse. Fifth question है the author thought that his positive thinking strategy about worked very well. After all, answer है the author was disappointed with Darchens. He also complained of bad health. और उसका जो ड्राइवर होता है Saturn had left for Lhasa. He was feeling rather lonely with no pilgrims around. It was then he met Norbu, a Tibetan who too wanted to visit Kailash. They would be a good team as both of them were academicians who had escaped from the library. The author started thinking positively and it gave him some delight and a new enthusiasm. तो यहाँ पे question answer is completed. Now we will discuss exercise of the chapter. Fill in the blanks vocabulary. Bracket में दिया गया है approach, isolation, explode, continued, pitched, speeding, cock and standing. तो फर्स्ट है वी पास्ट नोमैड्स डार्क टेंट्स, तो फर्स्ट में आएगा पीच्ड. इन स्पेंडेड सेकेंड में आएगा आइसोलेशन. यूजुअली विद ए ह्यूज ब्लैक डॉग ए तिब्बतियन मैसिव, थर्ड में आएगा स्टैंडिंग. मास्टिफ के बाद मास्टिफ स्टैंडिंग गार्ड. दीज बीट्स वुड फोर्थ में cock their great big heads when they became aware of our fifth approach and fixed us in their sights as we continued. Sixth में to draw closer they would. Seventh explode into action. Eighth में आएगा speeding directly towards us like a bullet from a gun and nearly as fast. यहाँ पे सेकंड दिया गया है with answer. You can do it. Rectification of error. I walked out the medical college. No error in this line. Clutch a brown envelope. तो यहाँ पे आएगा clutching continues. I had 5-day course of medicine. No error. Which I start right away. Started past. Opened a package and find it. Found. Continued a brown powder. The bedtime package were less. Identified they continue small spare broken pallets. Identifiable आएगा, दूसरे में sperial आएगा and loud suspicious like dung suspiciously. यहाँ पे सेकंड दिया गया है the walls were reached in plastic. तो width is error and width is correction. Volume voluminous. तो ये आप करना. यहाँ पे थर्ड दिया गया है I had been telling at the height telling told. तो विद आंसर यहाँ पे दिया गया है. प्लेसिंग फ्रेजेस एंड ईडियम्स. तो सेंटेंस रीराइट जरूर करना है. द पॉलिटिकल पार्टी सीज्ड अप द टिकट स्प्रिंट. तो रिजेक्टेड वेलकम्ड चेक आउट. तो इसमें आएगा चेक्ड आउट. ठीक है, और उसको रीराइट करना है पार्टी के बाद चेक्ड आउट द टिकट. इस तरह से कंप्लीट करना है. सेकंड है द वर्कर्स ऑफ द फैक्ट्री रिजाइन्स इन मैसेज. तो आएगा इन अपोजिशंस टुगेदर विलिंगली. तो इसमें आएगा टुगेदर. उसके बाद थर्ड है द फाइटिंग विच स्टार्टेड इन द नाइट हैड पैटर्ड आउट बाय मॉर्निंग. तो इसमें आएगा ग्रेजुअली स्टॉप्ड. फोर्थ है दे ड्रो इट्स लेंथ इवन इफ द डिस्टेंस वॉज टू मच. तो इसमें आएगा रोड टिल द डेस्टिनेशन. फिफ्थ है राकेश वॉज प्रोन टू द डिप्रेशंस इवन एज ए टीनेजर. तो इसमें आएगा टेंडेड टू सफ़र. कौन सा कहाँ पे फिल करना है ये आप इस आंसर में देख सकते हो. Punctuation. Punctuate the following passage. Satan seized me up as clambered into his car. Yes, he declared Drogba. Sir, we took a shortcut to get off Changtung. उसके बाद आंसर होगा Satan seized me up as clambered into his car. फिर ये yes कॉमा में क्लोज he declared Drogba. Sir, we took a shortcut to get off Changtung. Indirect narration. Turn the following dialogues into indirect narration. और तो यहाँ पे दिया गया है संध्या. Why is your voice so changed? Question mark. Why are you behaving like this? Did BBG say anything? Nardev. Yes, she did. Sandhya. What? Nardev. How does that concern you? Sandhya. What are you saying? Tell me what happened. आंसर होगा संध्या asked Nardev why his voice was so changed. She further asked why he was behaving like that and added of if BBG had seen anything to him. Nardev informed her that she had said. Sandhya asked him what she had said. Nardev counter questions her how that it concerns her. Sandhya asked him what he was saying. She asked him to tell her what had happened. ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन ऑफ सेंटेंस. तो फर्स्ट है उसको सिंपल बनाना है. वन इवनिंग आई हैड टोल्ड हर थ्रू डैनियल व्हाट आई वॉज हेडिंग टूवर्ड्स माउंट कैलाश. तो आंसर होगा वन इवनिंग आई हैड टोल्ड हर थ्रू डैनियल अबाउट माई हेडिंग टूवर्ड्स माउंट कैलाश. सेकेंड है उसको कॉम्प्लेक्स बनाना है. आफ्टर ducking back into her tent she emerged carrying one of the long sleeved sheepskin skirts. तो इसका आंसर होगा आफ्टर सी डक्ड बैक इनटू हर टेंट सी मर्ज कैरिंग वन ऑफ द लॉन्ग स्लीव्ड सिपकिन कॉट्स. अभी उसका आंसर देख सकते हो. थर्ड है एज ही स्टार्टेड टू पुश अप वंस मोर वी पास द सोलिटरी ड्रॉकबास. नो सूनर देन. आंसर नो सूनर डिड द हिल स्टार्ट टू पुश वन वंस मोर देन वी पास द सोलिटरी ड्रॉकबास. फोर्थ है व्हेन आई एक्सप्लेन माई स्लीपलेस सिम्टम्स ही शॉट ए फ्यू क्वेश्चन एट मी, चेंज वॉइस। तो आंसर होगा व्हेन माई, आई है वो माई में चेंज हो जाएगा, स्लीपलेस सिम्टम्स वर explained to him he shot a few questions at me. Last है fifth, we found a consulting room which was dark and cold, make compound। तो आंसर आएगा we found a consulting room and this room was dark and cold। तो स्टूडेंट यहाँ पे हमारी एक्सरसाइज है वो कंप्लीट होती है। ऑल एक्सरसाइज राइट इन योर नोटबुक and learn also। Okay, thank you।